Hey lads, TechScanning here. Though Asus has recently launched its gaming series smartphones, however the brand is yet to announce its next generation of Zenfone, the Asus Zenfone 10. So while Asus is yet to confirm the details about the handset and the launch date, but even before that, the pricing of the upcoming handset has accidentally revealed by the Asus itself. So Asus recently launched a website to take feedback from users on different photos for the sake of Zenfone 10's camera. However, an enthusiastic user spotted the terms and condition page on the website, which is actually revealing the approximate retail value of the upcoming Zenfone 10 as $749. Unfortunately, the leaked price does not mention the RAM and storage specs. But this provides the space for the possibility of a different price. So it is safe to say the Zenfone 10 will be priced around the launch price of Zenfone 9 and there will be no drastic hike. For the reference, the Asus Zenfone 9 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage launched at $699. The 8 and 256GB options at $749, while the 16 and 256GB variant at $799. Earlier, leakers claimed that the Asus Zenfone 10 will get a new 200MP primary shooter in contrast to the 50MP on Zenfone 9. Hopefully, like its predecessor, we will see impressive gimbal-like optical image stabilization, which will of course a lot useful for video and photography. The last year's Asus Zenfone 9 was known because of its compact size. However, the Asus Zenfone 10 rumors are not in the favor of compact phone lovers, as it is expected to feature a 6.3 inches AMOLED display, noticeably bigger than the Zenfone 9's 5.9 inches. A report already revealed the battery and some of the other details about the Zenfone 10, so if you want to check it out, click here. Of course, I will keep you updated as soon as there will be more information, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.